everybody, welcome to my garage. Hope you're all doing well, hope you're all crushing life. Let's go. Now I don't know why the Raptor started without having to jump start it. I mean, the battery's been dead for weeks. I've been jump starting it every time. Took it to James, had to jump start it there. And when he brought it back, after we switched out the Hummer EV and this, he said he didn't have to jump start it. And then today, I didn't jump start it. So it's fixed, battery recharged. Okay. All right, folks, I told you last video, Casey Draper, he's been texting me, he's hit me up, he said, bro, when are we gonna do the Hellcat again? So here we are, phase 2 of 50 phases. Not 50, we're gonna be quicker than that. But today is a big, big day. This is time, baby. Casey, any words for anybody? Anyone out there?
I don't know. You put me on the spot.
Okay.
I got nothing.
We'll come back. I put him on the spot. We'll come back. Take 2 in a second. Now, as you recall, a couple videos ago, we taped up everything to protect the paint. We also removed all the fender liners inside. Now we've got everything laid out. Next step is to get everything fitted onto the car. Kind of see what it looks like, how to put it together, but also to check out the fitment, see where we need to drill and cut and all the big time stuff. You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Just, why am I even here?
To document.
So this front lip actually goes over the top of the existing front splitter, so that's actually fairly straightforward and easy.
Off to a good start.
It kind of makes me wonder, I kind of want to put the yellow bumper guards underneath this just to know they're there.
They'll never know.
Right? They'll never know, but we'll know. We might autograph them. All right, folks, just like that. There's many ways to install a kit. We might just go with the full-on tape method and just tape it on and drive it away like that, but Casey has higher standards. All right, take 2. We took that off. This piece actually goes on first. So remember, Casey's a JDM guy. This is new to him, so cut him some slack. We're all learning. I have no idea what to do. He's just figuring out this on his own. All right, hold up. Before we get too far in today's video, I gotta stop and take a moment to thank today's video sponsor, ButcherBox. ButcherBox delivers fresh, high-quality meat directly to your door. Right now, they're running a crazy deal where you can get a free 10 to 14 pound turkey plus $10 off your first box when you use code 10Turkey, but the deal only runs through November 13th, so you better hit the link below, get yourself that free turkey. Now, you guys know I live a crazy busy life with my day job, with YouTube, with you guys, family, friends, and all my other life responsibilities, and eating right has been extremely difficult for me, but I'm gonna be honest, off camera, I have been doing a little bit better, and ButcherBox has helped me do that. This is high quality grass-fed meat right here. Look at these chickens, the sausage, we got the steaks. We are eating right. Now, what is the true value of ButcherBox? First off, its price. It comes with 2 standard box options, custom and curated. The least expensive option can feed you up to 24 meals. That's Monday through Friday for an entire month. The second value is time. Time saved. Time saved from going to the grocery store, shopping the meat section, hoping to find what you're looking for. Instead, you can do it all from home, online, delivered directly to your door. The third value is quality. ButcherBox sources meat and seafood from partners who are dedicated to doing the right thing. This means beef is grass-fed and grass-finished. Pork is raised crate-free, chicken is free-range and organic, and seafood is wild-caught. Now, I know, personally, meat claims can be very confusing to understand, but thanks to ButcherBox, I know exactly what I'm getting with each box, which brings us to the fourth value, member benefits. The benefits do not stop after your first box. Now, the last and most important value, at least to me, is peace of mind. Peace of mind that Mrs. Burlacher and myself are eating high-quality meat that we can trust as I continue to strive to eat better and be better. So before we jump back to the next step of the Hellcat build, be sure to hit the link below, use code 10Turkey to get yourself 10 bucks off that first box and to get that free turkey. You know you want it, you know you need it, hit the link below, hook yourself up. I appreciate ButcherBox for supporting me, for supporting this channel. I legit use them, I legit have been eating better off camera thanks to ButcherBox. Support them, support me, I support you, I appreciate you. Let's get back to the Hellcat. All right, folks, the biggest, most exciting thing to happen yet in this entire build, we are drilling into the kit, into the Hellcat kit. Come on. First drill is the deepest. Here we go. That was it. Watch your fingers.
Whoa, that was close.
Have you ever cut a finger off?
Got them all.
Surgery, you could have put one back on. I was just curious.
Those calls, but
a few. First cut's the deepest. Sheryl Crow. Look it up. I'm over here playing First Cut is the Deepest for Casey Draper because I'm like, bro, you definitely have heard the song at some point. Never heard it.
Never heard of her. Sorry to disappoint all the fans of her, but
that explains a lot. Casey's a cool guy, and I'm the weirdo. Now I'm offending everyone. Now we're all confused. Let's get back to the... All right, so we got a couple bolts in place. This thing is lined up perfectly. It's coming together super dope, even though we actually had to work backwards. So this is the first piece we're getting on. But look at this. This is gonna be so sick. Look at the girth. Girth Nation. Again, it's as wide as a Casey Draper. I told you we're gonna do a Casey Draper width on each side. How's that fit?
pretty good.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. I watched Bruce Almighty the other day.
Yeah.
You seen that one?
I have.
You don't know Sheryl Crow, but Bruce Almighty you see. Yeah, you know how he says it's beautiful day. And he says, it's good, it's good. I'm not good at Jim Carrey. Can you do it?
I definitely can.
Yeah, because I would have put that on repeat, slow motion. Yeah, that would have not been good for you.
It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Yes, those are pink because those are from James's Aventador. So we just took a couple off of his card to put on the Hellcat because we needed some. Thanks, buddy. All right, here we go, folks. Get this other side on. Then we can get the front splitter back on and really get some perspective. Do you have anything profound to say yet? Anything you'd like to say to anyone?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, we'll come back to you when you're ready.
We'll get there.
So for everybody here though, this is kind of what, I don't have wheels ordered yet. We were just talking about it. So if the wheels don't get ordered in here in time, this is what we're going to be working with, and it's going to be embarrassing, but I've done plenty of embarrassing things in my life. So with this kit right here, we've got these holes, the markers. This is where the rib nuts are going to go. So it's a kit that we're going to bolt on with the rib nuts, but we can actually remove it as needed. And we are going to actually paint match the wide body kit to match the paint, and then once we do that, we will wrap it something. You guys have put up some good suggestions in the last video, so this is gonna be ridiculous, like we've mentioned. All right, folks, back on. This is big. Doing my part here, come on, there we go. Yo, okay. All right, that's pretty dope. Check that out. That's sick. All right, so Casey is gonna trace the outline of where the kit is. Basically, we have the fitment pretty much where we think it needs to go. So he's drawing an outline around the fitment of the vehicle because why?
So basically, since we got our fitment dialed, we know exactly where to put it back because we're gonna have to take this off, drill our pilot holes in there, and then we'll put it back up, make sure all the fitment's perfect before we start drilling holes into the car.
I told you had some profound stuff to say.
There you go.
See, I give you an opportunity. I just had to set you up the right way. Anyways, it's step 13 of 372. So while he's doing that, I gotta tell you, people ask me all the time why I take 2 pairs of socks when I go golfing, and I figured I'd just answer that question here. It's because in case I get a hole in one. All right, I got a question for everybody here. I'm in a quandary. Casey just asked, do we cut or do we not cut? If we cut, we can get the fitment like exactly perfect. And I know for the purest of air and so forth, that is what we should do. But at the same time, if we don't cut, we can actually still have a good fitment, but it is reversible if I ever need to sell it or repair it or something like that. So the question is, do we leave this is the body, and then just build fender flare so it looks clean? Or do we cut this entire, all of this? What do we do? Comment below, let me know. I mean, obviously by the time they tell us, it's too late because I have to decide right now. I don't know what to do. What would you do?
The way we always build cars is just cut it and slam it. That's JDM life, you know? It's like, you gotta slam your car over here.
Cut it and slam it. That's JDM life. Here we are with the Hellcat. I'm representing Hellcat Nation. I don't want to let you guys down. Because of that statement, I don't want to let Hellcat Nation down. We probably have to cut it. Merely because of peer pressure. Me, internally, I'm conservative. I don't want to cut it, but he just called us out. If it's the right thing, we're going to cut it. Comment below if we shouldn't cut it, because maybe there's time, once you comment,
could be
then
time.
we stop the cut.
Could be time.
So comment below, let me know, cut or don't cut. All right, we're gonna lower this beast because we actually gotta look at get the middle centerpiece on, which is this long bit here, and we need to get the brackets out of the way. Look how much it's gonna bring that out. I mean, that's a wide piece right there. And yes, if you're wondering if I'm the type of person that's gonna get out and step on my own side splitter, that's gonna be me. At one point or another, I will probably step on that and break it. My goal will be to not do that though. Oh, okay, so I see how it is. You just kind of prop that up to get an idea, and then we just tape the big boy on. Okay, this is it. This is a big piece. This is real. Look at that. That's a big piece. Here's perspective. Can I do anything? Can I hold something?
Just trying to kind of get a professional body kit holder.
That's what I do. We're also going to try to be productive here. If you guys recall, I never actually put the hubcaps on the wheels, so we're going to get that done. Need me to hold while you do that? Alright, one of the holes was never actually drilled into the wheel there, so we've got a miss on that spot. That's not my fault, just to be clear. This is why I don't work on cars. Casey over here is putting a whole wide body kit together. I'm putting on little plastic hubcaps on my wheels. Realized I put one of them on wrong, so.
Need some help?
That's our levels. I put it on wrong. I'm thinking the holes don't line up and I'm blaming it on the hubcap, and I just didn't put it on correctly. So we're gonna go back over here, take a break, ignore that one, that's wrong. And let's get some more drilling, because this is pretty cool. Okay, make it happen, Captain. That's it, and then he's gonna make the holes a little bit bigger. And then we put some more screws on and bolt that together. And it's just that easy. Then he'll be done with 3/4 of the Hellcat, and I will have been done with 3/4 of the wheels on my Raptor hubcaps, so. See this hole right here? There's no hole there. I just thought like somebody drilled the hole in the wrong spot. I realized I actually gotta turn the hubcap. Basic, we're talking basic stuff here. It's been a long day. See now folks, what's important here though, is that I recognized the mistake. I recognized it was my fault. I went back, reversed it, and did it right. That's the life lesson. Now ideally, if you can be like Casey Draper and just do it right the first time, that should be your goal. But if you're like me and you can't, go back, fix it, and do it right. Oh yeah, okay. Oh. Ooh. So where we're at now is we're actually gonna remove the whole bit. Just enjoy the look while you got it, because this thing is gonna be sick. I mean, this is only, you know, partially complete. So we gotta take it all off because we gotta drill a couple holes up front on the fenders, and then we start to get into the pilot holes, and then we really start to make a mess of this entire vehicle. But for now, Casey Draper's got dinner, I got dinner, he's got family, I got family. He actually has to go back and do his day job. I gotta go back and do my day job. So we're gonna piece together this project as quickly as we can. You have anything profound to say after that?
See you next time when we cut it and drill a bunch of holes in this car, so.
Okay,
that's all I got.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Nope. Ain't need no scrubs.
The first cut's the deepest, right?
There we go, there it is. Sheryl Crow, baby. I think Rod Stewart sang that as well, I'm not sure. Check that out, that's a whole bit right there.
A long piece.
That's a long piece. Again, a reminder for everyone, this kit cost approximately $5,000. It was from Shiro Kai, had great reviews, so I'm super excited to get this on, finished product. So far, Casey Draper said, even though this is a muscle car build, the quality is pretty good, and so far it's coming together nicely. Is that true?
That's very true. I'm actually very surprised how well this kit is going together and like just the build quality of it, so.
Okay, not a paid sponsorship by Casey. All right, before we wrap up fully, I'm just gonna tear or cut this little bit off. We're gonna see Casey's looking for cutters. I'm trying to tear it. We're gonna see who's wins. I won. Okay, so I won. Thanks though. Yeah, we're doing a little trimming on that, and we're doing a little trimming on that, and we're doing a little trimming on that as well. So I have no idea, is the battery gonna be dead or is she gonna start again? Like seriously, explain that to me. How does that happen?
I wish I could, but it's a Ford.
Says the GTR guy. Yeah, built Ford tough, right? Ford vehicles, they repair themselves like human bodies. Because it's been dead for weeks, literally. I've been jump starting it.
It's like the Bermuda Triangle. It's one of the world's mysteries.
All right, well, thanks dude.
Yeah, see ya.